Good evening. So for tonight we are doing another cook with me. I'm doing the pork chops with the basil pesto from Green Chef. This is what it's supposed to look like. Everything that comes in it, don't mind the oil. That's from the other meals. These are the step-by-step instructions with pictures. The pork chops are already on the other counter. I've already washed them. And here is the bag of food for this particular meal. So go ahead and take everything out of there. All right, let's take a look at everything that comes in a bag. First, we have some sun-dried tomatoes. I have to actually soak them in water for about 5 minutes. A shallot, some sunflower seeds, herbs and spice seasoning was that lemon, pepper, and herb. The pesto with garlic sauce, broccoli, everything is cut up too. Artichoke hearts, and feta. So for the artichoke hearts, I'm just gonna have to do a rough chop on those and also a rough chop on the sun-dried tomatoes. But you see, everything comes portioned, and I did buy this with my own money. I don't know if I said in my last video or not, but I actually paid for this myself. But this is not sponsored. I mean, you know, it could be, which it was, but I actually paid for this myself. So all right, let me go ahead and wash this broccoli off and soak these tomatoes and get everything chopped up. I'm gonna chop the artichoke hearts, the shallots, and that's pretty much all I have to chop, and then I'll meet you back when all of that is done. All right, so everything is chopped and ready to go. The sun-dried tomatoes, the shallot, the broccoli, we're supposed to thin slice. The artichoke hearts, I was supposed to chop up the sunflower seeds, but I'm not going to do that. So I have already seasoned one side of the pork chops. So I'm going to go ahead and warm up my pan. Put the pork chops in the pan, if I can get my tripod to stay up. And if you hear anything in the background, that is my dryer, so pay that no mind. I'm always washing and drying. So actually, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my pan. I'm gonna let that get hot a little bit, and then I'm going to add my pork chops, the seasoned side down, and season the other side, and let that cook, and then follow the rest of the instructions. So be right. Okay, so my pan is warming up, and according to the instructions, I'm supposed to add 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil to a saute pan. Let that get warm, and then add the pork chops.
Another party, another Friday night, another talk that might turn into a fight. Too many faces you only see online. Too many cases of faking by design. Wake up every morning just to go right back to sleep. Text everyone you already know you'll never meet. Dance alone around your room and get down to the beat. Wanna change the world, 21 and a feeling old. Hey! Being young and engaged in the modern age. Only seen on the screen, internet's our stage. Reaching high, wondering why no one knows the way. Got the world at our feet, but we're out there. Another movie, another neon light, another way to forget the life outside. Too many places you only see online. Love yourself, you can't be beat. The honesty is scary, so you're gonna hate to lead. Wake up every morning just to go right back to sleep. Text everyone you already know you'll never meet. Dance alone around your room and get down to the beat. Wanna change the world, 21 and a feeling old. Hey! Being young and engaged in the modern age. Only seen on the screen, internet's our stage. Reaching high, wondering why no one knows the way. Got the world at our feet, but we're out there. Is it true that I'm connecting or reality projecting? Just a second, is my phone? Can we finish later on? Is it true that I'm connecting or and I both know what's going on. No secret there, it's in the air. It's getting harder to ignore, to pretend we're unaware. Will we ever get out of no man's land? Will you ever cross the line and take my hand? I've been waiting for you to let me in. You're playing with time and I'm wondering if you'll ever be mine and more than my friend. But not just yet, I'll stay silent. Oh, waiting no man.